Hey, just making a quick short for my YouTube friends that are truthers that know the truth. Yeshua told us 2,000 years ago all these things would be happening. Well, my son just came home today. He's 18. He's been working at a restaurant locally in our neighborhood. Everybody but him and his best friend got vaxxed, like 20 employees. And guess what? All of them are sick. They have to close the restaurant where they're at. All of the vax people are now sick. And guess what? The two that didn't take it, still healthy, still doing fine, and everybody else is having all kinds of problems. And the sad thing is I told the boss that, and they thought I was crazy, and now look at it. Look what's happening. A few months later, all sick. It's so tragic. Yeshua, forgive the people for what they do not know, and bless them. Hopefully, God give us a cure to help the vaxxed get reversed if possible in Yeshua's name.